Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This summer, I had the chance to return to one of the best resorts in SoCal, the Ojai Valley Inn. It might actually be my favorite. There is just something truly special about this place. The mountain views, the oak trees, the way the air smells like lavender and sunshine. For this trip, I booked their Paseo Villa. It has a clean, contemporary look with warm Spanish colonial touches. The living room is spacious and is styled in soft earth tones, with touches of sage green and natural wood that feel perfectly in sync with Ojai's laid-back vibe. These gorgeous oversized candles are my absolute favorite detail in the room. The fireplace adds just the right amount of coziness and warmth. The bedroom is just as spacious and comes with its own fireplace. The lighting is soft and layered, making the room feel warm and cozy. The attention to detail is subtle but thoughtful, down to the curated artwork. There's plenty of space to move around. No clutter, no visual noise. Just clean lines and calming energy. The bathroom is quite large. The color palette is soft and neutral with creamy stone and warm tile. The finishes are high-end but understated. Brushed metals, natural stone, and subtle textures that tie into the rest of the villa. The fixtures are sleek and modern. Double vanities make the space practical for two people, with plenty of counter space and large, well-lit mirrors. Everything is where you'd want it to be. The shower is visually stunning. The textured tile creates depth and warmth, making the entire space feel serene. The soaking tub is deep, sculptural, and designed for true relaxation. The villa comes with its own private patio. A cozy sofa by the fire table sets the tone for peaceful Ojai nights spent under the open sky. French doors connecting the patio to the villa create a beautiful indoor-outdoor flow. It's incredibly private. No foot traffic, no noise, just sunlight and light breeze. One of the most striking aspects of the property is its sprawling golf course. Designed in 1923 by legendary architect George Thomas Jr., the course was envisioned as a masterpiece from the start. Set against the Topatopa Mountains, it weaves through ancient oaks, creeks, and gently rolling hills, offering a serene experience in harmony with surrounding landscape. But the Ojai Valley Inn property extends far beyond its golf course, offering a mix of experiences that blend wellness, leisure, artistry, and culinary excellence. The Ojai Valley Inn has 4 unique pools, each designed with its own distinct vibe and amenities. The Pixie Pool is perfect for families, with a generous deck, hot tub, and fireplace seating. Lawn games and an on-site arcade keep the atmosphere lively and fun. At the heart of the resort, there is the adult-only Indigo Pool, designed as a sophisticated oasis with stunning panoramic valley views. The remaining 2 pools can be found at Spa Ojai, offering a more intimate retreat. Ojai Spa truly stands out as one of the most exceptional wellness destinations in the country. Recognized as a leader in luxury wellness both locally and internationally, it has held the prestigious Forbes 5-star designation since 2022, placing it among the top spa destinations in the world. Beyond its serene beauty, the spa offers an impressive selection of amenities. There's a full fitness center with everything from yoga and tai chi to guided hikes and aerial meditation classes. Guests can also enjoy infrared saunas, steam rooms, cold plunge, and 2 serene pools. One of the most stunning venues on the property is the Farmhouse. The list of events held here ranges from full-scale weddings to food and wine festivals, often featuring collaborations with Michelin-starred chefs and celebrated winemakers. The space is also known for its culinary pop-ups, like tequila and mezcal tastings, oyster and champagne pairings, and even casual wood-fired pizza nights under the stars. This beautiful space delivers an immersive Ojai experience complete with amazing food and gorgeous surroundings. Speaking of the food, Ojai Valley Inn offers a range of incredible dining experiences. For refined, seasonal California cuisine, you have Olivella, the resort's signature restaurant, with a focus on local ingredients and an award-winning wine program. There is also a centrally located Oak restaurant, known for its panoramic views of the golf course, an ideal setting for relaxed breakfasts, casual lunches, and sunset dinners. If you're looking for another laid-back spot with outdoor seating and sweeping golf course views, Jimmy's Pub is the perfect choice. It offers a relaxed and casual atmosphere, with a great selection of comfort food. There is also a poolside and in-room dining, both of which offer a fantastic service. If you're looking for a getaway that truly has it all, Ojai Valley Inn delivers on every level. Stunning location, world-class amenities, and incredible food. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to sharing more with you next time.